One day, I was doing a secret mission, which I will tell you at the end of this video. Suddenly, I received an email asking me to introduce one of their products, and they pay $500 for it. Are you kidding me? I've never been in such a situation where I wanted to introduce a company's product. Well, I have to calm down and concentrate because I'm sure I'll make it. Very well, let's go, but before that, I ask you not to subscribe to my channel, but I would be appreciated if you support me. I don't know how it is possible, but let's go. As you can see, the company only sent me a picture of their product and didn't tell me any information about that. So now it's time to use artificial intelligence to ask it to write information for our product. I used Gemini and sent a photo of my product and asked to write a description for it. As you can see, Gemini started writing descriptions and information about our product. But I want a text that has a more advertising aspect so that I can attract more audience. Now, I want my product image to be more beautiful, so I use Prom AI to make my product look more attractive. Okay, now I want to make an advertising teaser for this product with artificial intelligence. Did you see how can we make money with artificial intelligence? Just look for similar projects and do them with the help of artificial intelligence to earn money. Now it's time to tell what was the secret mission I was doing. I had a mission to count the number of Starlink satellites in the space. If you want to do this, just go to the website that I have put the link in the description.
In my car, wake up in a bar, I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face, and I wanna get lost. I'm sick of this place, don't